How to remove Instagram account from account list. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Instagram. Well, if you are logged into any of your account, then what you want to do is move into the profile. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click on Logout. Once again, click on Logout. Once you have been signed out of the account, all the accounts that you have logged in will be available to you in this page. If you want to remove, tap on this three dot at the top right and then click on Remove Profiles from this device. Now, whichever account that you want to remove from the account list, simply tap on Remove. And then once again click on Remove. Once you have clicked on it, your account will be removed from this account list and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. Thank you.